Welcome back, guys. We have seen how to install the Google Tag Manager console on a WordPress website. So today we will quickly see how to install Google Tag Manager on any website. For this, let's take StoryGag as an example. Even though this is a WordPress website, I'll just show you the place where we need to place the source code of the Google Tag Manager. So just click view source and search for body. So this is the body tag in your web page. So right after this particular body tag, you need to place the whole code snippet. The entire thing should be going after this. So once you place that, you just save and publish your web source code. So yeah, you should be able to do that if you have access to your web source code. And the problem with static websites is you need to do this for all the web pages. So if you have a content management system, you can place Google Tag Manager code in a common file so that it will be available in all the web pages. So that's how you install Google Tag Manager on any website. You need to place the code snippet on all the pages so that it will work on all the pages. And the next part is how to see whether Google Tag Manager is present on a website or not. So in the previous video, we have installed Google Tag Manager on this website called ayaka.co.in. So what you can do is you can just right click on the web page and view page source and search for Google Tag Manager. There you go. So you can see the code snippet present on the website, and you need to check for the unique identifier whether this is the right identifier for your account. Once you identify that, you can say that Google Tag Manager has been installed on your website. And if you observe the code snippet, there are two parts to the code. One is the script tag and the other one is the no script tag. Script tag is the plain JavaScript code which will work when the user's browser has JavaScript enabled. If at all if the JavaScript is disabled on a user's browser, the no script tag takes care of the loading of Google Tag Manager. So that's how you check a Google Tag Manager on a website. And the next thing, so far we have seen how to check whether Google Tag Manager is present on a website. Let's check how whether Google Tag Manager is loading fine or not. Before going there, what you need to do is once you create an account for the first time, you need to publish your container. So this is one container we have created for Ayaka. So previously I have published one version without doing any changes. So what you need to do is you need to click on publish button. You just need to do this for the first time so that your Google Tag Manager account will be available to the public. So go ahead and click publish now, even though there are no tags and nothing in your account. So once that is done, and once version 1 is published, your Google Tag Manager code will be available to the public online. Otherwise you will get a 404 error saying that Google Tag Manager is not able your browser is not able to load googletagmanager.com. So once it is published, what you need to do is you can go to Chrome menu, more tools, and developer tools. So you can go to Chrome developer tools and you refresh the web page and go to the sources tab. On the sources tab, you can see all the source code that has been loaded from different websites. So for this particular website, ayaka.co.in, the code is being loaded from ayaka.co.in, and there are other bunch of websites where the code is being loaded from, and we have our googletagmanager.com as well. So go ahead and drill down into googletagmanager.com. You should be seeing a file called gtm.js, which is the JavaScript file which Google Tag Manager generates dynamically with all the changes you have done on the console. So go ahead and click on that. You should be able to see the source code of gtm.js on the right hand side. So on the top you should be able to see a copyright by Google, and you will also see the version number, so which is currently live. So that's how you test the presence and whether the Google Tag Manager is loading on a website or not. We'll see more of the details regarding Google Tag Manager in the coming videos. Thank you.